Hello friends, welcome back. In our last class we have discussed about JQuery UI drawable function. So in this class we will discuss about resizable. So this is the topic, JQuery UI resizable function title. So you need to just remove this first div from here, the drawable one. We don't need for this, and I'm just changing the name of this from draggable to resizable. Resizable, resizable. And here also inside CSS you are just going to remove this drawable, and you are going to change the name for this resizable. And here you are just going to remove all this from here. Yes, still here. So you can just save this or run launch in Chrome. So you can see we have just this one. So the topic is JQuery UI resizable. So what can you do? You can just insert a $sign, like always, basic syntax, and inside a single quotation we are just going to call id, and after that resizable. Here also resizable, size resizable. So here inside this single quotation you are not doing anything. Control S at once. Let's check, refresh. So you can see here now you can just resize this height, width, and if you just can take from here, you can see you can just resize this element like this. So let's just discuss about some more about this in advanced level. So what can you do? You can just insert curly braces here inside this. The first element or the first function you are using is ghost, ghost, ghost. You can say the condition is true. Control S to save. Now just come here and refresh. Giving shadow picture ghost, you can see it's just giving you a shadow, how much you want to just increase the size of this element. After leaving, the size will be changed, you can see. So this just the beauty of ghost, you can say, like this. So it was about ghost. So we have just one more. If you use instead of ghost animate, 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 so the condition should be true. Control S to save. Come here and refresh. Now you can see not giving shadow. You can just cache this like this and leave. You can see it will just increase the size, you can see. And for example for height, like this. So this is the usage of animate inside this resizable function. After that you can use aspect instead of this aspect ratio, ASPECT ratio. Make sure the R should be written in capital letter, aspect ratio or ratio. So you can just give the value for this, for example 10 by 5, something like this, as you wish you want, you can give. So you can just give, you can see. So you can change just width and height just from anywhere, from here. So it's just working for both width and height, you can see. So we have just used here 10 by 5. You can just give 5 by 5. Control S. You can just say 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 3, 10 by 3. So if you use here for example 5 by 3, so it will work. Control S and refresh. So you can see it's working. And just 5 by 5 is okay. After this we have just grid, 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 and you can just insert parentheses like this, and you can say just 50 comma another 50. So it will increase in grid style. You can just come here, refresh. Now you can just let's check why it's not working. Grid 50 by 50. We need to just insert I think colon here, Control S, refresh. Now you can see in grid style. You can see it's just increasing in grid style, just 50 by 50. Yes friends, we have discussed about JQuery resizable functions. So I'm just going to tell here inside the script tag. The first one was ghost, so you can just give the value true, something like this. The second one was just, you can say animate, the same value true you can give. And the third one was, what was the third one? The third one was aspect ratio. Yes, aspect ratio. So you can give for that value, for example 10 by 10, 5 by 5, just like this. Not 55 by 5, for 10 by 10, 10 by 3 you can give it. And the fourth one was grid. Yes, the fourth one was grid. You can just give value inside this bracket, for example 50 by 50, and you are separating the just value with comma. So it will increase in grid style just by 50, or you can give 20 by 20, 10 by 10. So it was about jQuery UI resizable functions. I hope you understand this clear for you. And once again, I'm going to tell you once again and again and again, I'm going to tell you that please watch other videos, do practice. Have a nice time and see you.